Hi everyone, I'm Pudding from DMC. If you are a frequent user of Facebook Messenger and you are friends of using dark mode for iOS, you might appreciate enabling dark mode feature on your Facebook Messenger. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Facebook Messenger on iOS. Okay, this is how you can turn on dark mode on your iPhone. Okay, you can open Facebook Messenger on iPhone and click on your profile icon on the upper left corner of Facebook Messenger. Okay, and then just click on dark mode and just switch to on. You can immediately your dark mode is on your Facebook Messenger. Okay, that's very easy. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to help us like and share. If you have yet to subscribe, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new videos. See you in the next video.